that is the cure for beating oneself up. To be compassionate, to be kind, to give yourself Krishna consciousness. If you're beating yourself up, you're in a horrible position to take Krishna consciousness because you think, what is the use? I'm so bad. Why even try? I will never be good. I will never be enough. My spiritual master will always think there's something wrong with me, etc., etc. Now, in analyzing this according to the three modes of nature, I think it becomes obvious that that kind of thinking is very tamasic, because anything which is tamasic has an element of craziness, and this is a kind of crazy way of thinking.